Welcome to Make It in the Emirates 2026. This year NAFFCO is presenting not just a normal RIV. This RIV is fully modified and equipped with a severe duty suspension. It was fully engineered, designed, manufactured by NAFFCO in UAE. This truck has two fire pumps. The first one is connected with the PTO and the second one is connected with the separate engine driven. It also has a thermal imaging camera, and this truck will be shipped directly to Ecuador after the exhibition.